it's Rooster Ru, and today I'm trying something new. I'm going to show you guys how to make a butter slime that's also kind of wet-ish. Okay, first you're going to need a bowl, one of these things that measures stuff. You're going to need something to mix with. You're going to need a measuring cup and a spoon. You're going to need the color that you want to dye your slime. It's okay if you want it to be white. You're gonna need glue, not this much, it doesn't have to be this much. You're gonna need baking soda, lotion, and lastly, the multi-percent succinylation equate.
It's a contact lens solution.
Yeah, you need a contact lens solution. Okay, so to start, you're gonna take your bowl. It doesn't have to look like this one. You're gonna put it on your measuring thing. And you're gonna turn it on. You're gonna open up your glue. Now this part is gonna be a little hard. You're gonna tip your glue over and pour it, and you're gonna watch this until it's at the 4. Now mine says 433. That's fine, that's perfectly fine. But it's supposed to be at 4. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our measuring spoon, and we're gonna put it, and we're gonna get one, and then we're gonna get 1 spoonful of the baking soda. Pour that in. Next, we're gonna grab the contact stuff, and you're gonna pour it in, just like that. Now you're gonna do that one more time. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna grab my lotion. I'm gonna take my spoon. I'm gonna grab an amount I think this is good. And then you're gonna put it into the bowl. Now, that's all you're gonna need to add. Now you can start mixing it up. All right, now that your slime is turning more slimy, if you're feeling like it's at a good pace, then you're gonna place this down. It's still gonna have slime on it. And then you're gonna get your hands into your slime, and you're gonna mix it up a little, like you're gonna play with it, basically. It's almost at the slime pace. All right, now that my slime is basically slimy now, I'm gonna try and get some of the glue out of here. Now, if you're like, my slime, it seems too much like glue, keep on mixing it. It's fine. Just keep on mixing it. Now, your slime once you played with it for a while, it's gonna start feeling kind of like it could just slip off your hands. Well, it might. I'm gonna put my slime back in because I am going to dye my slime now. Wait, no, here's my color. Now the color I'm choosing is, I'm gonna pick pastel green because it's kind of minty and I think it's a pretty color. Mint is a pretty color. Put just a, I think one more drop should be enough. I'm gonna pick my slime up. Now the coloring part, you don't actually have to do that. That's just what I'm doing. You know what this reminds me of? Flarf. Now I'm gonna speed up this part because I don't really think you guys wanna watch me basically mix for 10 hours. Now, if you're thinking, this color is too light or something like that, you can always just add more food coloring, which is what I'm using. Okay, now I think I've got the color. I really like this color. It's kind of minty, neonish green. Minty, neonish green. All right. Now you've got your slime. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. Bye.